All right, here we go. Good luck, Dean. 2024 Topps Chrome UFC Mega Box. One Chrome autograph per box on average. Oh, this one doesn't say on average. 10 exclusive X-Crack. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. We opened 2 megas and a hobby box and still haven't found one except for the Allen and Ginter Pereira. Yeah, Aljamain Sterling. Imavo. Holly Holm. I didn't trip his face. Horace Griffin. Brandon Moreno, Michael Chiesa. I just won another game. Oh, we got one. Finally. Chris Weidman, Octagon Legends. Winner of his last fight in dominant fashion. Dominic Cruz. Nunez. Nicolau. Michael Bisbee. Bam! Got another one. Alex Pereira. Oh, man. You're set. Whichever guy wins. Boom. Manon Fiorat. Kamzat Cejudo. Ketlin Vieira. Paul Craig. Yair Rosenstrike. Gaethje. That was the box. Box had the Pereira, X Factor, Jamal Hill, and Chris Biden. Thanks, Cigar. Appreciate it as always.